I'm now completing the populate section tutorials showing you light and camera controls. If you recall earlier tutorials, you can rotate your camera holding your Alt keyboard key and moving your mouse with the left button clicked. You can also zoom in and out with your mouse wheel, and you can pan the camera always holding your Alt keyboard key and moving the mouse with the middle or right button clicked. At any time you can reset the camera viewpoint to the standard clicking this button. You may also zoom the scene in and out with your page up and page down keyboard keys. And if you like, you can also move your camera vertically and horizontally using these sliders. While you are in the populate section, you can at any time view a small helper about all the controls available, just hovering your mouse on the I button here on the bottom right. So you see, while my mouse cursor is over the I button, you can you get this small page which is showing you some of an explanation of the buttons and how you can move, rotate, zoom and reset the camera. So you see, I hover out and in again and I get this screen. We also have light controls, which are very important because they allow me to modify my sunlight position so that I get a certain terrain area lit up properly, so I can better see what I'm doing and where I am putting my objects. So for example, if I want to populate this area, which is a little bit dark now, I can modify my light azimuth. So you see now it's lit up properly. What I can do, I can also change and decrease or increase my light intensity and also the light pitch. And also another important option is the possibility to change the camera speed so that you can match your computer speed. Or for example, when you have a scene full of many objects, if you see that the camera transformations get a little bit slower, you can increase the camera speed so that it's more performant. The last option I want to show you is the bounding boxes option. It's very important because, let me show you this. I am putting some coconut trees around, and I'm going to create a quite dense scene with many coconut trees. As you can see, my triangles count goes up. I'm right now at 3 million triangles, which is quite a lot. And the camera is still performing very well. I don't have any particular issue panning or zooming my scene. But when you keep going with deploying objects, you will notice that this might get a little bit slow. So what you can do, you can enable the bounding boxes option, and you will notice that each time that you move the camera or you perform a camera action, all the objects are replaced temporarily by boxes, and this will allow to move your camera very quickly, so that, for example, if I want to get on this part of the terrain, I will do that in a moment. And when I release the Alt key, so that my camera operation is has stopped, I can get the normal view. I get back to the normal view, and when I move the camera again, the bounding boxes appear and give me a higher speed while moving and positioning my camera. So my suggestion is that when you get a very crowded scene, say with more than 2 million triangles, it's a good advice to have this option enabled.